Hi, I'm Emily, I'm a sophomore. These are my roommates and we live in Walsh Hall. Come take a look. This is a 6-person suite. I have 5 roommates. Let's check it out. So I have 5 roommates and we each are 2 to a room, and then we have 2 bathrooms, a kitchen, and a common area. Advice I would give to incoming students living in this dorm is take advantage of the common space. I feel like it's so fun being in the room when roommates are coming back from classes and just talking. We feel like a family in a kind of way, and we've definitely grown a lot closer all living together in a space like this. So this is the common area and we're gonna go check out my room. This dorm came with a bed, a desk, and a chair, and then a set of dresser drawers, as well as a closet that we share. To personalize my space and make it feel like home, I very clearly go for wall art. I don't like to leave any spot on the wall blank, just putting up letters that people have sent me, art people have made for me, or just things that remind me of home. I'm from Texas, so I have a few things from Texas on the wall. One item in my dorm room that I can't live without is my record player. I have a whole set of records that I keep here so that I can play them out loud whenever me and my roommate want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more dorm tours, click here.